Hello everyone, welcome to the new session with happy and fresh mood. Today we will see the life cycle of a hen. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs, but some animals like crow, spiders, lizards, and hens lay eggs. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs, but we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the egg. Hatching means when a hen sits on her egg to warm them. She is said to be hatching her eggs. So, this was the life cycle of a hen. Now, we'll proceed further to see the life cycle of a butterfly. There are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Now, metamorphosis in a butterfly we'll see. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed leaf, this rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast. So, its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molds. Mold means to shed old skin to make way for new growth. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molds a second time. In this way, it molds 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molds, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called a chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. So, I hope you understood the life cycle of a hen and life cycle of a butterfly. So, thank you, children.